Kynhun Myntri jong Sorkar jela mentang kesnem kala beteng biang banit penlong ya kejingalang jong Kynhun Myntri syabar jong secretariat. Bat mentang kenti ha kesing thok ding jong tayo. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalum ya kejingalang jong Kynhun Myntri ha Sohra kabadan ha district East Khasi Hills. Ya kabalawan ban Shim benta dabun ngut ki Menteri Sorkar. Kynhun Myntri kebelai kendo akasian kebening kong mentang kesnem kala Shim karai ban penjelan biang sah nreu benai na kesyuti baju ai syaki Nongtrei Sorkar ki bahab banit sumar ki jingpang ki bahab ban bujli di met. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi dan ki khap bagi Nongtrei Sorkar ki dan ki jingpang ki bajur. Baju ai syuti biang ki kat kum ka jingjur jong ka jingpang. Kumta na kebenta ki Nongtrei Sorkar ki bahab banit bujli ki met on ai syuti sekumbah nreu benai kenang bakin la ban pendat ke jing sumar ban bujli yakit khot met jongki.
If there is no provision for any kind of promotion for a particular government employee, this ACPS scheme allows them to go to the next level in terms of their pay scale, even though the promotion is not given, but the pay scale level goes up every 12 years. In that process, there are sometimes anomalies come up where certain employee, because of this ACPS scheme, is getting a higher pay scale more than even the person who is his or her senior because of the promotion that person got. So these anomalies occur once in a while in certain departments. In order to ensure that the same level is maintained between the people who have been getting the ACPS scheme and the individuals who are promoted and are senior to the persons who got the ACPS scheme, we have allowed the finance department today to, in a way, at par, bring the two together so that these anomalies are not there anymore. This has been happening in the past, but it has been done at the level of the finance department. We wanted to regularize it, and so today the cabinet has regularized it and given the formal approval for finance department on a case-to-case basis, look into these areas and take the necessary decision to bring them at par.
Menteri rang ba kejelau lepen tebru bagi Sorkar jela kala menjer ba ke minimum wage na kejingsiu ki Nongbylla ki bahab ke kedan highly skilled kin yok menta nreu spa sabusan tengka na ka san spa prapun nreu tengka sismi. Ki bahab apa ke skilled kin yok no nreu spa san tengka ka bakiau na ka san spa lepo tengka baju ai prosyekata. Ki semi skilled kin yok no san spa nreu pusan tengka ka bakiau na ka sau spa nyok sau tengka. Bat ki unskilled kin yok no san spa arpsan tengka kabakiau nak sau spa kat kendai tengka. Ulang babaro kinang yalam ken haban penteri kami ken gador batamai bar ula kentu ginang bela bagian ujor syakatanat labor kenang bagian yok ban le kabadan kam. Ula pentep ru baka Kynhun Myntri kala menjer ban penkla tamai yaka the Meghalaya Buildings and Other Construction Workers Regulation and Employment Condition Rules arajar pra. Ulito belalum yaka khajna nega ses pada gini kepisah lapan kam naga benta ke jingmen toy jigi Nongbylla kibala register bat ke Sorkar ban hadu menta ki dan kumba prapo hajar bani prapusan hajar ngut bela ban register kibala bani ke jingmen toy hablet sumar ban kershan ha ke jing pak school na college ki khon ban ke Sorkar kalarai banang penbo ni ke jingmen toy yaki Nongbylla kibala ban register.
So the minimum wage for the state has been increased and that was a very important decision taken today. Second important decision that has been taken today is that we have amended the Meghalaya Buildings and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions Rule 2008. Now you're aware that we are having a cess, a labour cess amount that is collected, and this amount then is used for the benefit of the labourers, and these are labourers who are registered with the government. And about 85,000 of them are registered. There are different benefits like you get benefits for medical payments, you get benefits if there's some other disabilities, you get payments also for education of children, studying in schools, colleges. So we have enhanced those benefits today. And so with that now, the amendment, the amounts that are going to go to the families and the labourers who are registered under this particular rules, they will get higher benefits now. So details, there are too many of them. We'll send them in a note or something. But I would like to inform you that the cabinet has today decided to increase the benefits for the laborers who are registered under these particular rules. Another very, very important decision we have taken today. If you recall, in 2022, there were ad hoc employees who were appointed pre-2007 based on, they were appointed on the ad hoc, on regular post, but it was an ad hoc appointment, meaning the proper recruitment procedure was not followed. And at that point in time, the Supreme Court had mandated the government to either regularize them or terminate them and follow a process of recruiting the employees again. And then in that time, 2022, government of Meghalaya the cabinet decided that we will regularize, as per the Supreme Court mandate, those 3,000 employees. Now, once we did that, the departments, because there are massive appointments done in different departments in different locations, and a large number were missed out. That means people who are before 2007, the cutoff date. I'm not talking about individuals who were appointed post 2007. This is pre-2007. So there were still about 850 people as per our list who were missed out during that approval that was given by the cabinet. So it is the same yardstick for that particular group, but it is being means employees who are in ad hoc appointments against sanctioned post. So 800 plus, about 850 plus minus employees who were left out, the government today has decided to regularize their appointment. So this is a very important one. Many of them missed out. We have now added those 850 plus to that list and we have regularized them today.
Kynhun Myntri kala Shim ru ya karai banpen ko bor ki executive engineer ha katanat fisheries bakin Shim rai naladie ya ki project kat kum gejeng mang pisa. Ukondot kongkal sang ma ulong balale ekani kat kum ki kendon badon haki bagi tenan. Ha ka baki executive engineer kinyo ka bor balabu duput bandra halor ka kampisa. Kynhun Myntri kala menjeru ka kerteng jeng hia Sorkar ki bandet kentiu kalama jeng kari ha gejeng rake ke Republic Day ha kalang ki benta jeng kejela. Kynhun Myntri kala menjeru ka CM Assure Scheme ban kentiu ka yok kot jeki Nongrep aga jela bat banwangi gijeng jong ka jingkala ka dor kamur ka bakta ki Nongrep ki baria bat ki bahe ha Meghalaya kamtam ha kapor bahyar bah ka yo.
Sure. This CM Assure program is a market intervention scheme for farmers in situations where the market price of the crops, especially the non-perishable, we talk about non-perishable crops, when they are down in the market, the government has decided to keep a corpus of 100 crores to intervene in these situations so that the farmers during this distress are supported and helped. These are being done specifically for non-perishable products. And to be very, very more particular, we have seen that the market price for broomsticks and the market price for areca nut has been very unstable in the last few years, and it continues even today. And therefore, we feel a very strong need for intervention from the government side to be there to procure these products and then resell them, and through the marketing boards, this process to be done. Now, just to share with you, because I don't want anybody to misunderstand this, that we are doing multiple programs and policies and schemes to support our farmers. Processing units, so that the farmers' perishable products are not lost, is a program where more than 200 plus processing units are being set up. 30 of them are large-scale units where minimum 5,000 to 10,000 farmers in each of these large processing units are being supported. These schemes are there to help the perishable products. So, for example, if you have the jackfruit, you have different fruit products. They've been converted into chips, into juice, into powder, into ice cream. So we are doing interventions for pineapple, packaging and processing being done in Reboy. We're going to have a very large processing unit that's going to come up for ginger in Reboy district, because Reboy is a large producer of ginger. So at multiple levels, interventions are being done to support the farmers. But when it comes to non-perishable products like broomstick and areca nut, there is a limited scope of support, and therefore this system is being conceptualized and today has been passed by the cabinet. It is an intervention. It is not any kind of a MSP or any kind of a support. These are purely market interventions based on the market cycle, based on the distress that is there, based on the particular year. These interventions either will be done or will not be done. So it's not that it's going to be done every year at every time, but we felt that it is important to keep a mechanism in place that whenever such distress is there for the farmers, then we can activate this mechanism to then help the farmers so that at least a basic income can come into them, and the marketing board will then figure out how we'll be able to resell this to different parts of the state or the country.
Kynhun Myntri kala ajing menjeru ya kajing terwa ban penkiau no ya kajing pelut ban ya kebayok khajna ne fiscal deficit talai poinsan na kasispa. Ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong bagi Sorkar kala menjer kajing penkala ya ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act arajar rio man ailat ka fiscal deficit menkiau na kalai na kasispa syakalai poinsan na kasispa na kabenta kane kasnem. Nalor kani ke Kynhun Myntri kala menjeru ikajing terwa ban penkop bor ha ka Deputy Commissioner ban Shim ha ka ban penyo ikajaka ka badan kami katanat PHE na kabenta ke New Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Kynhun Myntri kala ajing menjer ban penkala thamai ki kendon janga Meghalaya Factories Rules ka kanai sebab propo ka batmu ban penjelan ka por ban thamai ki license syakash posnem. Ulong balale akane kat kumki kendon balabut ke Sorkar pedeng ban pensuk ya kajing sengkam sengjam. Ha ka bakat tu kani license ki bahap ban thamai malang snem. Kumta ke Sorkar pedeng la terwa bagi ni license at penjelan no syakash posnem. Ulang ru bala penrung ru ya ke kendon bathamai ka basya ki kentai bikin trai ka por min miet ka bobot ki lat kenti jong kajing singan.